Hello friends, good morning. Today I am going to discuss a very interesting business case for accountant and Odoo users who are collecting payments via check from customer and bulk deposit those check, and bank are creating a batch deposit, and then after few days bank will register a bounce check event, and then we have to create the reverse entry also, and then remove that paid invoice to open invoice, and then manage entire journey in Odoo. So how exactly we can achieve that? So here I have created a scenario where I have different customers and different invoices are there. So what we will do, we can open and register their check payment one after another. We can also create batch deposit also. So either I can do collect check payment from each and every customer. So every customer is submitting us the check payments one by one. So I am making a payment entry with all the narration and memo number, and check payment is there. So from all customers, I am, let's say, collecting the checks payment. So my check entries are done now. I'm on the last payment and all check entry are done. I'm going into payment and then creating a batch. So on this batch now, what I will do, I will validate them. It will create one single batch payment for all five entries. So 11,184 is the entry I need to do. Okay, so what happens in transaction? Bank will register an entry. So let me just create those entries again for our validation purpose. Okay, so over here I do have one payment entry which is there, and one miscellaneous entry. Let me remove those also. Okay. So I will have to, let's say, let it be open, and then over here I have a payment entry 11,184 in process over here. So in transaction I will register one transaction like batch deposit 11,184 transaction, and over here I will select the batch which I need to reconcile. So over here all my invoices got paid, and then after few days the bank now will come and say like one of the check got bounced. So over here from invoices, let's say this 2,500 worth of check got bounced. So in my bank will register a transaction like check bounce and minus 2,500, and I think partner was customer 2, and then bank will also charge me check bounce fees, let's say 250 rupees. So that definitely check bounce fee I can directly reconcile with the model like bank fee, and I can give relevant bank charges account over here, and then I can directly say okay, this particular amount over here, set account, or let's say in statement it is there, one item to reconcile. So this transaction is already done. Now what I need to do is I need to now reconcile this with my bank fee only. So over here I will use model like it is there, and then we go back and would like to reconcile this particular transaction from my model. So over here, the model is directly not available. Let me just check model's availability. So partner is not required. Account directly I can do. And here I can directly register under my bank fees. So this is now gone. Now over here, 2,500 rupees of bounce entry is there. So what we have to do now? In the payment, we have this 2,500 rupees of payment entry. And over here, we have to check relevant journal entries where I have registered my payment of 2,500 rupees. So here, this is my bank line, and then we will find out the exact bank entry over here. This is like check payment entry which we have registered, and over here in this journal entry you will find reverse entry button, and then you will reverse this particular transaction. So what Odoo will do, Odoo will create a reversal entry over here. You can see now a reverse journal entry is created over here now. So now we can see this particular journal entry reversal over here of 004 number. 004 over here is outstanding receipt debit and debtors credit, and then here outstanding receipt credit and debtors debit. So this entry is created, and over here what I need to do is I need to now reconcile that particular reversal of transaction over here. So what I need to do is in reconcile I will pick exactly this particular reversal transaction and I will reconcile with that. So in my customer original invoices, we can see now reversal has been done, and this is now marked open, okay, because that invoice was not paid and open again. But in my batch payment entry, it will perfectly reconcile because bank has already registered and now creating a refund entry. So over here now I can go into my invoice, and then what I can do, let me just open my previous journal entries and reversal. This entry is no more applicable, so let me delete that. And then in my customer invoice, now it will keep open, and then I can re-register my payment. The original payment is there which was registered, but it got bounced, and then I can re-register with the new check which I can demand from my customer and redeposit that. So this is how you guys can handle the batch payment, reconcile of batch payment in your bank, and then you can re-register the bounce check and its fees like this by reversing the original payment entry and then reconcile with your bounce check entry amount. Hope this will help many people to go through this entire case and journey where we don't need any customization. It is only a process we need to follow and register the batch payment and reversal of some of the bounce check. If you have any question, do reach me out on my LinkedIn, YouTube or email. Thank you guys. Good day.